don't know what the fuck's going on.
That was good.
But let's get it, boys.
Search and destroy. Supply lines decide wars.
We getting right in?
Yeah, might as well. Yeah, might as well.
Demolish their ordnance.
Give me a bomb.
Crush the
I'm
enemy
nading.
supply lines.
Okay.
Explosive on the move.
One
They
stun
stunned
middle.
middle. One nade just hit me. I'm in sight though. I'm watching top. Watch out for a fast flank.
Yeah, I'm looking. Is their side, their side.
Top. He's still in. He's in the right corner of top.
I can get him.
Nice. He's dead. Last guy could be
Watch
anywhere.
their side top, and I'm gonna punt.
He's their side, you said?
No, just watch their side and top.
Oh.
Explosive planted.
He's our side? Let's go,
Nice,
boys.
there we
Let's
go.
fucking
Thank
go,
God.
Ambient. Good shit.
Yeah.
Kill
Good
that
shit.
first guy. Oh my god.
That's what I like to see, baby. That's what I like to see.
All I gotta do is put my mind to this shit.
Goddamn.
Cancel out my ex, I put a line through that bitch.
Search and destroy.
Ah!
I'm holding a grenade. You go far B or far A. Don't throw your life away. Go like
Not a ma-
we can do that top middle thing, I mean. No stuns or one stun, one nade.
Double nades, 2 nades. We got an nade for
back.
retake?
Yeah, I have a nade.
Who's
Nade
ready?
ball.
Going? Throwing it?
Naded it.
Explosive planted.
One shot on
I hit
it.
him. He's one shot. They must have 2 people or some shit.
Spam the nade.
Wait a second.
One's one shot in the head. What?
Ready?
Hey, go. Down low.
On bomb and down low.
Shit.
Oh,
Fuck.
God.
Yeah.
HSO. $50 holla?
Yeah, one more nade and we would have that guy.
What are you guys doing?
I hit someone with a nade, but I think.
It's fine. Yeah, Jack, just wait for us to do that and then come in.
Search and
Yeah, we should all be like peeking at the same time.
supply
Yeah.
lines
Yeah.
To be honest, I saw that other nade explode. I was like, there's no way that they're all not
All
one
I
bullet.
gotta
And I
do
think they
is
got 2
put my
headshots and
mind
he
to
didn't die.
this shit.
Goddamn.
It's almost like the game
Cancel out
doesn't
my
like
ex,
allow
I
you to
put
get
a
killed
line
and shit.
through
It's
that
weird.
bitch.
Nade just came in and hit me, but it didn't
All
kill
I
me.
gotta do
Oh,
is
that
put my
nade did that.
mind to this shit.
Goddamn.
Cancel out my ex, I put a line.
There's 3 outside their back gate.
Dark mode.
The actor. $30 holla.
I'm holding.
Boom. $30 holla. Says dark mode. A1 Jerks also 6 months. Goddamn, you're hotter than the air inside dryers. Thank you. I appreciate that compliment. What the fuck is happening?
Jesus.
Can I get a heart spam in the chat, please?
Oh,
That's
fuck, dude.
unprecedented.
Just not doing nade. Not armor.
Dude, that second nade was just landed right on my feet. Sticky
Yeah,
nade.
it's subtext.
OD.
We should try and get in there.
Oh my god.
We should be doing that early.
Search and destroy.
I'll
Go
spot
to
it.
sandbags.
Demolish their supply line.
I mean, I don't know. I'll hold a nade. Just assume they're gonna go there. Why wouldn't they? Get ready. I'm nading.
One middle street. He read it like a book, man. Is this guy God? Middle street. General truck. That was him.
Yeah.
Hey, huh?
Explosive planted.
You played it. Oh, one already pushed through. Oh my god.
Oh, good try.
That's what.
All I
got
gotta
it.
do is put my mind
Yeah.
to this shit.
Yeet, thank you for the Twitch props up. The actor is still going.
Oh, we gotta play it a little different. We should already set
No!
the pace for this map. We should already went B to know they were gonna go A. They're just
Yeah.
a step ahead of us right now. It's fine.
Oh my.
Say we still go at him B.
Search and destroy.
Yeah, I'm done.
Yeah, sorry.
out there.
I'm choking right now.
I'm
Choking.
gonna wait a second.
I'm gonna wait. Yeah.
Yeah, wait out there, Ty.
Crush the enemy supply line. The explosive.
I'm gonna pick them if they try to get in the site. I always get the picks if they try to get in.
One's pre-fire bottom middle.
Hang on.
I'm watching.
Another nade just came in.
I got hit with a nade.
I'm watching top.
Watching you're pushing.
Better plant.
Fighter strike. Oh, Jesus
shit.
Christ.
I'm dead.
Top's there. I'm dead. Yeah.
Explosive drop.
Oh.
Annoying.
Damn.
I didn't even think that'd shoot. Others?
Oh, but we're flanked, dude.
Yo.
They're just pinching us
Yo,
in.
he had 635 points. He had it by 10.
Oh my god, he had 3 kills in that streaks, dude.
I didn't even think he had streak.
He had 10.
think
He
about
was
it.
10 points to get streaks. He had
All I
605.
gotta do is put my mind to
What the
Right.
hell is happening?
Cancel out my ex, I put a line through that bitch.
Supply lines decide.
We need a fast class skin to be. We just need to get
I
him
can do it
in.
now.
Demolish their
I can do it now.
supply.
Yeah, yeah.
He could have more streaks. He's got 655, right? So it's glide
Yeah,
bomb.
yeah, it's fine, it's fine.
Over. Triple naded it.
Fuck. We're not
I'm
gonna get it.
so one shot, yeah.
Fuck.
Hit him with a nade on B. They probably planning.
Nice naded sight. He's one shot on sight.
All I gotta do is put my mind to this shit. Goddamn. Cancel out my ex, I put a
I'm about to
line
jump
through
over.
that
Their
bitch.
side weak. Their side
I
weak.
wish you the best of
Absolute,
luck
dude.
in 2018.
That was him. Stay
You're
alive.
such a humble
Oh, nice.
guy.
Last kid in there.
Always fun watching your streams.
I think he might be going up top. I think he
A
might be
follow
me.
from you
Okay.
would mean a lot.
Let me hear a gun
Smiley
switch.
face.
Hey, don't switch.
Could be right below you. He is, he is.
That was
go,
good.
boys.
Yeah, nice. That's all we needed.
Still in
He's
this
a
game,
fighter
baby.
that round?
Still in this game.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Bomb defused.
Shit, yeah.
$40 from HSO.
Hey, Connor and
And then 25 from Python. I wish you best of luck in
P-Horn,
2018.
good
Just
looking-
some guy.
I'm fucking
Follow
sub.
me a lot, Python. Thank you so much. I normally don't do follows for donations. I just follow
They
those
still
who are
have a
active
fighter?
on Twitter and always read.
I
I think he still has glide bomb. I think he still has glide bomb.
Demolish
He
their
got another kill. He
ordnance.
had
I'm
one.
down.
He got more. He has 800 points, so he could. I think he has artillery.
Yeah, I'm running down. Got their shit. They didn't throw anything. Yeah, they're just gonna.
Look at far B. Doesn't try to get in yet. Watch his knees.
One shot their front truck. I'm pissed. I'm actually pissed right now.
Where's he?
From fucking where? He jumped out the mid window. Oh my god. How does that guy not die, stream? How does that guy not die? That was our courtyard. How does that guy not die, stream? How does that guy not die?
Look at their side B.
Thank you. What's up, Flammy? Guys, thank
Hold
you
on my
to,
top
to
and I'll get
Python, HSOB, Actor. Boom. Thank you, guys. Nice.
Yeah.
We'll get another one if you wait a sec.
Explosive
Oh.
drop.
Whoa. Up top.
Oh, almost killed that kid too. Damn it. I'd have had this kid one more second too.
I don't even. How did I just lose that gunfight? Oh my god. Alright, let's go. We going in. He probably has a barrage, right?
Regroup.
Yep. Oh, gooch.
Search and destroy. Supply lines decide wars.
What about that top?
Demolish their supply line.
We gotta work on that retake. Top the
What's
window,
that top
top the
window?
window.
Play
Really
my
weak their
life.
top window, damn.
B. One might be.
I don't see anything
I'm
A.
just watching our B push through.
Explosive plant.
No. I have a stun to retake this.
I'm
I
waiting
have
for
a
you
nade.
guys.
I have a nade. He's pushing through, pushing through. Dude, there's no aim assist on that truck, man.
He's stun on the push through. I got
That's
him.
him, nice. Good job.
Nice.
Dude, there's no
Yeah.
aim assist when you're like
Yo,
in that
let me
weird
get this
truck
out.
area.
I'll have 300 points. I'll probably be closer to
147,
streaks than you.
God damn it. Boo, bro. Thank you so much, man, for the tier
Did
1
they use
sub.
artillery or
Welcome to the
not?
courageous guys.
I
I don't even know
think he
what
has
to
it.
say. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. A major donation
Right,
battle
yes.
going on right now between HSO and the Actor, or they're just having fun with it. I don't know.
Bomb defused.
Alright, let's go. We're on time.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh my god.
Regroup.
I'm gonna do my middle push.
If you want, yeah, go for it.
Search and destroy.
Alright, you guys should go B while I do this.
What are we doing? We're going B?
Yeah,
Demolish their ordnance.
this is
Crush
risky.
the
This is
enemy
kind of
supply
stupid,
line.
but I might be able to get first blood.
Two
Yeah,
nades
B.
landed.
I'm in their middle building.
I'm watching your top. Should I take sight with you, Ambient, or worry about flank?
Worry Worry about flank. Worry about flank.
He one's on their truck.
Enemy mortar fire incoming. Fall back. Explosive drop.
I
Oh, no.
should.
One's on our flank. One's on our flank.
One's their side in the corner. Fuck, he's not gonna peek me.
One's in our flank somewhere. Fuck. One's their side of B.
It's on statue.
There's still a guy back
Side
here.
of B,
somewhere.
Jim.
We got 30 seconds.
Yeah, we got it.
Comes in sight.
Get in the side.
One's
get
their
in the
side. One's in their side.
There's side B.
Play it.
I can't. They're gonna rush me. The other guy's on our flank.
We have the explosive.
Their side dead.
Good job. Trying to find.
One shot. Let's go, baby.
One round at a time. Let's get it.
Sorry, Adam. I knew I had no safe plant there.
Yeah. The way they were playing it, we would have lost it, but.
Yeah. Waste all their streaks, so.
Yep.
Let's go. That was a clutch we needed. Come on. We can still do
Yep.
this shit. They don't have any streaks.
Regroup.
I don't think, at least.
Tony, you two should try getting into B, and I should try
Search and
stunning it.
destroy.
That's our best bet.
Adam.
We can't get in, yo. That's,
Going.
we're not gonna be able to win any other way.
Demolish their supply line.
Ambient, you fly in. I'm gonna hold your angle, okay?
I'm slow, but
They're stunned.
The gas mask.
Nice. That
What
was
could
my
be
assist.
close?
Only one guy.
Four.
No, I don't see him.
Alright, they can push through. I'm holding our
Ambient,
top
watch
mid.
top. Ambient, watch top. I got
I
heavy.
have top.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
One's their back building. One shot. Super weak.
Pretty
I've
fast.
got bomb. We gotta watch our flank too.
I have top mid. Just hold the site.
On their side. Two there.
I got it.
Oh,
Both
I'm
there.
dead.
I'm helping you. I got your pushing. Shit, they're gonna rotate now. Fuck.
Dude, push down mid to B.
One's on A. Absolute.
Yeah, going outside A.
Oh, fuck.
Explosive planted.
I'll come with you.
Outside A, dead.
Nice. Play your life. You don't need to do anything crazy. Wait for Adam. Adam's mid street now.
Coming.
He's got
All
it.
I gotta do is put my mind to this shit.
And middle. Their side of
Cancel
middle.
out my
Middle.
ex,
Let's
I
stand
don't
back.
align.
Ambient. Are you fucking
Yes,
serious?
Ambient.
I'm really close.
HSO says, guess I'll make it even and drops
Yeah.
35. Oh my god. Boys.
Yo, I'm nasty.
I got a
Yo.
fighter pilot.
Alright, what do we
Let's
have?
go. We
We have
will
D.
have D. No, it's gonna be very, very close. It is gonna be. I think they have it.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have it.
Search and destroy.
Oh shit.
Fine, that's fine.
Yo.
We
We
got a
got
fighter
a fighter
pilot,
pilot.
so-
Let's
They
plant
use it
around the
right,
fighter
actually.
pilot.
Demolish their
Yeah,
ordnance.
yeah.
Crush
They
the
might-
enemy
Yo,
supply
once I
line.
call in this fighter pilot though, we should just get control of B and put it down immediately.
Yes, that's exactly what I'm saying.
Oh, okay, yeah.
One nade.
Fast break.
Camping our back spawn, literally. I'm not watching for fights or anything.
He's weak. That nade didn't hit him.
Oh, no, I'm using it.
Alright, go.
Nothing inside sight. Nothing. Fuck. Just hold sight for a sec.
Down Ambient.
Explosive drop.
Fucking A, dude. He's in statue.
On the statue?
Yeah, he's on statue.
They know bombs down. They should just restack site.
You have your streaks,
Cell bomb is
No, I
He's
can't.
behind you in the back
He's in the
line.
corner.
Oh, yeah.
He's in the corner.
7 bullets.
We have the explosive.
Fuck.
Sending mortar rounds. Zone and sweep.
He's their side.
Explosive plank.
He wrapped. Fuck!
Good play, bro.
Dude.
Oh. That was it. Damn it, dude. I almost had that nasty clutch.
Enemy has defused the
Fuck,
explosive.
man.
Oh,
Adam, that would have been so disgusting.
I know. Damn it, man. I wanted that so bad.
Hell happened out
Dude.
Ah.
If that is not, it's stream. If I am not watching Adam Killa Sloss world champion right there, then I'm saying in my normal games, I'm going, just watch your back, like, you know what I'm saying? But I'm watching Adam, like, bro, in that situation, you just gotta, there's really, it's just, you just gotta hope.
I was